Alright, what's up guys? So, pretty random video. I'm here in South LA. It's pretty rough. And, well actually I'm by, I don't know, Wilmington I think or something. And my buddy just bought this 1991 DB1 Acura Integra. And he got it for an awesome ass price. Just gonna do a quick little walk around and to show you his little come up because he got this thing for an amazing deal. And if you can see all the way down, I'm gonna do a exterior and a little interior and an engine startup and stuff like that. It's all stock. Little scuffs right here. Inside, I don't have my wide angle right now, so it's kind of crappy, but it's all zoomed in. But you get the picture. Look at the paint. All the way down. No Bondo, nothing, all metal. It's got the stock wheels. This is a true Survivor. Look at that right there. That's sweet. Kind of these remind me of the Vigor, actually. No sunroof or nothing. It's all nice. Interior. So this is a little interior shot right here. It's a 4-speed auto, and this thing is pretty sweet. Yeah, this thing is pretty nice. Door panels. Everything's nice right there. Well, I don't even know why I'm doing this. It's not even a coupe. Got an extra door here. Oh yeah, but again, my friend bought this right now. It's got like the child door lock right there. Look at the door panels. Power locks. Nice carpeting, nice seats. This thing just needs a good wet vac and man, and some new tint. All the way right here. Look at that door panel right there. All this needs is pretty much floor mats, and it's pretty much good. It's got this armrest right here. I think that's probably some type of OEM optional, and that thing is pretty comfortable as well. Alright, so I'm gonna pop the hood and show you what's inside. There's no framing right here. It's kind of weird just having it like that compared to the DC. Gonna start it up real quick. It's got a little head unit right there. It needs some mechanical work. That thing's pretty sweet. Idle's nice. It's got cruise control, high beam, defrost, everything. Alright, so let's go check out the engine. Power locks, everything right there. Pretty cool. It's got the power mirrors right here. This thing's pretty much a decked out little old Acura. Alright guys, so this is the engine right here. Everything is pretty complete. Came with a nice battery. Everything's all stock and everything, and believe it or not, it's an actual B20V. I don't know if you'll see that, but yeah, it's a JDM engine. So because I believe it should be a number after the B, so made it to an automatic. But yeah guys, so overall this is a pretty sweet ride. He came up pretty good. And yeah, so you want to see more of this car, please like, subscribe, and comment. And whatever he does to it, you know, I'll keep you guys posted. And he's looking forward to putting some shocks and stuff on this. But yeah, needs a clean up. All original right here. Everything's original DB. Alright guys, I'll see ya. Alright guys, so look at the back. This thing is clean as hell. That's a lot of cargo space right there. All this stuff he threw in. Look at that, like new. Everything's nice, pristine. That thing's